Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video of quant reasoning. So today we'll also understand some basic fundamentals of math like factors, fractions, percentage, ratios and averages. So let's start our video, and if you have not watched my previous videos, please go and check out, and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start our video and please watch till the end. So first concept is the factors, divisors and multiples. The factors, what are the factors? So factors fit evenly, which means there is no remainder when a number is divided by another number. There is no remainder left. For example, 24 has factor 1, factor 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So 24 is divisible by these all numbers and there is no remainder left. And the multiples grow. The integer is evenly divisible by x. For example, 8, then 16, then 32, then 88. So when multiples grow, the integer is evenly divisible by x. Okay. Here is one question that the word divisible always means evenly divisible without a remainder. So please remember that there is no remainder left when fully divisible or evenly divisible. Coming to some other topic, which is of common and prime factors. So common and prime factors means common factors. Common means something is similar between them. So for example, what do 24 and 30 share? Common factors. They both share 6 as a common factor because 24 is divisible by 6 also and 30 is divisible by 6 also. So 6 is the common factor for both of them. And prime factors, what are prime factors? Breaking an integer more than 1 into prime numbers. For example, 24 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is the breaking of the integer into more than one prime numbers. Or we can say 24 is equal to 3 into 2 ka cube. Okay. There is a tip: if any positive integer more than 1 can be written as the product of prime factors. Clear? Next is the fraction fundamentals. First one is the reduction. So divide. We have to reduce the fraction given to us by dividing both denominator and numerator by some number. So divide top and bottom by a common factor. For example, in 16 by 12, we can divide it by 4. So 4 4 is 16 and 4 3 is 12. So it gives 4 by 3. So it is known as reduction technique. And one thing is important, that after reduction the value remains unchanged. 16 by 12 is equal to 4 by 3 because we have divided by it by a common factor. So the value of 16 by 12 and 4 by 3 is same. Next is multiply and divide. So in cases of multiplication, multiply straight across. So 2 into 5 and 3 into 7 directly. 2 into 5 10 and 3 7 is 21. So 10 by 21. Or multiply the reciprocal, flip it. So if we get 2 by 5 like this, 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 8. So if we can write it as 2 by 5 into 8 by 3. We have to reciprocal the denominator. So now it is 8 to the 16, 5 is the 15. 16 by 15. Oh, and always there is an integer hiding as a fraction. For example, if we write 2, then it has 1 as a denominator, 2 by 1. So we do not write 1 every time, but in the denominator 1 is always there. Now, important concept, it key must have a common denominator. First step, find a number evenly divisible by all original denominators. Second, convert multiply top and bottom by the same number. For example, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 8. Now we have to take the common factor of these three numbers, denominator 4, 6 and 8. 4, 6 and 8. So common factor is 24 because 4, 6, 8 can divide 24 completely. Okay. So we will convert denominator into 24 by multiplying by that multiplication factor. So 4, how much times? 4 6 are 24. So 4 into 6 24 and into 3 into 6 18. Like that 6 4 are 24 and into 4 4. 8 3 are 24. So 5 3 are 15. We have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. Now we can add simply 18 plus 4 plus 15 divided by 24, which is gives us 37 by 24 because the denominator is same. Coming to the topic of percentages, hundreds. So percentage literally means out of 100. कि 100 में से कितना? How much out of 100? So a% of x is equal to a divided by 100 into x. Percent means divide by 100 or o means multiply. So percentage, as I told, divided by 100. So there is a question, what is 60% of 80? Now 60 by 100 into 80. So 60 by into 80 divided by 100, 0, 0, 8 6 are 48. Simple. Now, change always refers to the percentage of the original value. For example, 80 shekels raised by 25% means 100% was the original, 100 was the origin, 25% was increased. So 125% of old price. So what is the old? 125 by 100 into 80, which is 100 shekels. Okay. Now find the difference first. For example, 15 shekels drop to 12 shekels. मतलब 15 से 12 आ गया, तो डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है? 15 माइनस 12 3. सो अब हमें निकालना है कितना परसेंटेज ड्रॉप हुआ. तो ए बाई ए परसेंटेज, तो ए बाई 100 इंटू 15 इज इक्वल टू 3. कि 15 का कितना परसेंटेज हुआ कि ताकि वो 3 से 3 गुना कम आ गया. तो ए डिवाइडेड बाई 100 इंटू 15 इज इक्वल टू 3. सो ए इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 100 divided by 15, which gives 20%. There is a 20% drop when it drops from 15 to 12. Understood? Now ratios. So ratio of x to y is written as x dot y. For example, Ellie's ratio of socks to the shirts is 3:2. It means socks are 3 by 2 greater than the shirts, because we are comparing socks to shirts. So first one is the socks. So 3 by 2 means socks are 3 by 2 greater than the shirts. For every 3 pair of socks, Ellie has 2 shirts. We can say like that. For every 3 pair of socks, Ellie has 2 shirts. That is 3:2. Next topic is mean, average. So arithmetic mean, there are different types of mean: arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean. So we will understand arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is the sum of values divided by number of values. कितने total values है और उनका sum कितना आ रहा है. Average of 1, 3, 5, 10, 21 is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 21 divided by 5, which gives us 8, because there are 5 values. ओके. फॉर एवरेज का मतलब क्या है कि आपने अगर एक वेइंग बैलेंस पे डिफरेंट नंबर रख दिए, तो आप कितना वेट रखोगे नीचे की सब बैलेंस हो जाए, उसको बोलते हैं हम एवरेज. ओके. तो 1, 3, 5, 10, 21 इन सब का एवरेज आ रहा है 8. A weighted average takes into account the relative weight of each value in the set. weighted average का मतलब क्या है कि each value जो सेट में है उसका खुद का relative weight कितना आ रहा है बाकी के मुकाबले, उसको बोलते हैं हम weighted average. So there is an average magic triangle. If you guys are given the average, you can always work backwards to find the sum. For example, we told that average is equal to sum by n. ठीक है. तो sum is equal to average, ये average into number of values. Okay. So sum, average and number. So Danny bought 5 items. Average price is 10 shekels. Total paid. So total items 5, average is 10. So total paid is 10 into 5, which is 50 shekels total. Simple. Don't confuse this. Just revise this video again and you will understand the concept easily. Nothing rocket science in these. So last slide of today, the grand translation matrix. So there is a concept half. Okay, half fraction means 1 by 2, percentage is 50 and ratio is 1 by 1. Then 3 quarters is 3 by 4 and percentage is 3 by 4 into 100, which gives us 75% and ratio is 3:1. Okay, so this is the today's topic. I hope you understand the different concepts easily. If you don't understand and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will reply to those comments and also tell on which topic you guys need the next video. So up till then, keep studying, take care, and bye bye.